welcome you all to the once again to the next series of Project Showcase, and this is the video I have brought to you, and all the source code will be linked on the description box. You can check it out, and you can simply type npm run and run dev to run the source code into your machine. And this project is built with help of the recent most updated Next.js 13 source code, and the code you get are the recent and most updated code you can find out. Okay, so let me begin with the presentation. This is original Google landing page, and this is the clone that I have made with help of Next.js 13. And this is not only a website, it has also all of the functionality that original Google provides. Basically, the Google provides API endpoints to all the developers. You can everyone can access that with help of Google Developers Console. If you go here, and you can get this kind of APIs, and you can get your own keys and APIs to integrate the search engine into your project. So basically that has been done. So although it is clone, it works exactly same like the original google.com, because we have just used their engines into our code. Alright, so let me start with this, saying that there are two tabs, and this layout are nicely arranged like the original's layout. And whenever I click, I am feeling lucky. This loading spinner and this effect, look, loading effect, you can see there, and this pushes you to see any random keywords that are automatically generated, and you can find anything. So I want to show you, let's say I want to search anything like mountain. If I want to see mountain, you can see that previously seen animated loading bar is implemented with the help of Tailwind CSS. Source code is linked in the description box. Have a check on it, and you can see all of the about some total results, time, and it's like same the results that's shown by Google. And also you have pagination to navigate to the next, and also previous tab like this. And moreover, you can also see images, this loading animation, and also the images are perfectly laid in a grid layout like original Google does. So you can also navigate to the next page, this effects, right? Yeah, this project is beginner friendly, and you can check the source code, you can do your own. Alright, so let's compare car. This is a clone site, okay, and this is original site car. I want to check the result, like all in the original you can see like images, everything's laid out in a way. On the clone you get differently because the API throws the data as this order, so you can see here. So this was all about the project showcase video about the Google clone with added functionality. And also by the end of this video, let me show you. If I type something, let's say jungle or forest, yeah, if I click cross, it scares me. It's state management. I just want to show you some very basic thing, but it's intuitive. Alright, so this was all about today's video. Thank you for watching. Keep joining the channel for more source code like this, and more advanced course or more advanced showcase videos will be presented to you. And also along with the source code, this is the fun part of this content, right? You get source code, you just type the information linked in the description, how to run the code, everything will be mentioned. Just do it and have fun. Thank you.